This is a video explaining how Prodigy is going to do field validation, email validation, and invalidation as well. So, as you can see here, I have filled out a mock credit app. My first name, last name, driver's license state, and email are all filled in correctly. So I don't have a green marker, so I did it in blue, but everything here should be green. When that field gets validated, then the text that is on the field should become green. So that means that it said first name, last name, driver's license state, and email are all correctly validated. So there is they become green, and this is the same style with all other fields where inputs are necessary for customer information, etc. So this should be the same not only on this screen but other screens as well. One small difference for the email validation, if you can see there, is a green check mark. So we want a really nice looking green check mark whenever we have a valid email address being entered. Same thing with birthday. It should all be the same, but in this sense, I skipped over birthday and went to social security number. So that means I skipped over here and went here, and then immediately when I go to social security number, because I initiated birthday but didn't type anything in, the text and line become red, as well as there is a required field prompt below that below the line right there. Let's say I enter an invalid birthday. Let's say it's like 1-20 like 2016, whatever, and that's an invalid birthday. Instead of saying required field, it will say invalid entry. So invalid entry if it's something is entered but it's not correct, or required field if nothing was entered. So also right here, we're doing something slightly different with the signature page. We don't want to highlight that whole thing in red. So what we can do is put a prompt right here that says right here that says please have customer sign, right? So right here there will be a pop-up when you try to hit next, which will be right here. So when you try to hit next, there will be a pop-up right in the middle of the page that says please get customer to sign, or something along those lines. The exact verbiage will be on the ticket that I file here. Feel free to ask any questions. This is Eric. If any questions at all, reach out. Thank you.